Hello art friends, we are almost ready to glaze our pottery, our bell, and I just wanted to remind you of the process. So remember, we started with greenware, unfired clay right out of the dirt, right out of the ground, it's just dirt, and then we let that dry. So here's one that's dry. You can tell it's different colored, and then here it's been fired, and we call this bisque. And now what we're going to do is, like on this little ladybug, we're going to apply glaze. And we're going to do a glazing technique from Japan called Mishima. So for Mishima glazing, what happens is we put glaze on the whole thing, and then we wipe it off so it just goes in all of our details and amplifies all the textures and patterns that we have. And this technique comes from Japan. And I have my bisqueware, and so I'm just going to take my brush and liberally or thickly put it on. I'm not trying to make it all pretty and perfect. I'm just getting that glaze on there, going in my cracks. So I'll put it on here. Okay, so this should take about a couple minutes, not that long. You should not be spending a day trying to do this. It's just a really quick, quick glaze. All right, so now I'm gonna leave this here, put my lid back on, screw it together, and now I'm going to go to the sink. Now, you can see it's drying pretty quick. So now I'm gonna go to the sink, and while I'm at the sink, I've got my sponge, and I'm just gonna wipe the glaze. Now you can kind of see the butterfly that I had on there more, because you couldn't really see it before. I'll wipe this side. There's the butterfly coming through on this side. Okay, there we go. I think that looks pretty good. So now you can see all the textures that I have. And I left a little black right here and a little bit up here more, and that's okay. You know, that's my artistic decision. And now this is ready to be fired.